Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, let's open settings and enter display. In here we've got all our display settings. We can change mode between light and dark. We can set brightness level. We can turn on or off anti-flicker mode. We can turn on or off reading mode as well. We can change color scheme. And text size. Also, we can select when device is in VR. We can choose apps in full screen mode. And the last thing, we can turn on or off auto rotate screen. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.